In this video I will remove the winter cover my MGB has been wrapped up in. I hope to prevail. I never know when I will win or lose.
So let's stop procrastinating and get this show on the road.
Some days I don't know if I'm coming or going, as some days I meet myself coming and going.
I got a microphone with a windscreen on it, but I don't know. It's blah. Oh, Rick. I'll just kind of hold this back. Wrap it up. Gotta keep those kind of handy here. There's another one here.
That darned wind, it seems to blow every time I try to put tarps away. Fun, fun, fun until Daddy takes the T-bird away.
Oops.
I'm going to lose my patience if this blue mast doesn't fold up small enough to put in the trunk.
Tie down or something. That's this one good. Stumbled. I tripped and I stumbled. MG.
There is that flag I fixed the other day. You can see me doing that on my video called Flagged Again. Now to remove the car cover. These should a less straining task, but you never know. I wonder what Bob Dylan is doing these days, fly fishing. I've been spending a lot of time on my knees today. Maybe I should be praying. Maybe I should have brought my knee pad along today. There, the car cover fit into the trunk. Happy days are here again. These are the steering boots that I plan on installing this spring or summer. Where is that darno trelease handle? Why did Morris Gerachis hide it so well?
There is that bucket I have been looking for all winter. Looky there, that there is the engine. Isn't it pretty? I have some cleanup to do. After I finish the brakes, I start on cleaning up the engine department.
This has been fun, hasn't it? Subscribe, like, share, comment, more to come.